Good morning to everyone. Happy to see you all. Hope you all are safe at home. Before starting today's session, we'll discuss about the previous class. As you all know, in my last class, we all learned the place value, meaning, and place value chart and their examples, right? And also, you noticed that one important thing about a zero also, right? So today we'll continue the previous class. Okay. So today we'll learn about the lakhs period. In your last class you learned the thousands period, right? Today we'll learn about this lakhs period. As you know, this 99,999, this is what it is. This is the greatest 5-digit number. You know that, right? You know how to form the smallest 5-digit number, and also you know the greatest 5-digit number, right? So for adding this 99,999, for this number, if you are adding the plus 1, you are going to get the what? 1 lakh. That is, how many digits are there? 6-digit number, right? So once again I will repeat this lakhs period. So in this lakhs period, for adding the greatest 5-digit number, for that, if you are adding 1, you are going to get the smallest 6-digit number. Understood? So hence 6-digit number can take the lakhs period place value chart. Okay. So this 6-digit number values the lakhs in the place value chart. Okay, got it? So now we'll move to the next one. This also comes under the lakhs period only. See, for this it is the greatest 6-digit number. What it is? Greatest 6-digit number. For this greatest 6-digit number, if you are going to add the plus 1, you are getting what? What it is? 7-digit number, right? This 7-digit number, we can call it as smallest of the 7-digit number. So once again we'll repeat this. For if you add the plus 1 to the greatest 6-digit number, you are going to get the smallest 7-digit number. And this 7-digit number can take the 10 lakhs place in the place value chart. Okay, it values 10 lakhs in the place value chart. This is about the lakhs period. So see this table, this place value chart. Here it is ones. You know already, in the ones, what are the things? You can see that? Yes, ones, tens and hundreds. Similarly, in thousands, what you are looking here? 1,000 and 10,000. This up to here you already learned in the previous class, right? So this is an extend part of this, that is lakhs period. Okay, here in this lakhs you are having lakhs and the 10 lakhs. So this is the place value chart during this lakhs period, how it is. So we can see this. So this is what the 1 lakh. Okay, how many digits are forming this 1 lakh? It is 6-digit number can frame this 1 lakh. And similarly, and the 7-digit number, smallest 7-digit number can make this 10 lakh. Okay, so hope you all understand about this lakhs period. We'll see some examples. Okay, we'll solve some examples based on this lakhs period. Okay, let us see. See, this is the examples I have written over this. What is this? You know, according to the place value chart, we have to read this, right? You know this. Can you read? Can you read? Try it. Yes. So it's ones place. What is there in a hundred place? Tell me. What's there in a hundred place? 8, right? And what's there in a 10,000? Yes, it is 7. And what about the 4? It comes under lakh spirit. Understood? Okay. So now it is easy. If you recognize the numbers in their place value chart, you can read very easily, right? So now you can read it very easily. Start now. So what it is? 4,71,897. Yes, I know all my children practice the same, right? Okay. This once again will repeat. Example, given example is 4,71,897. Okay. Oh, now we'll expanded form. We'll write the expanded form of this. Okay. We'll write the expanded form. As you know, we always go this extreme right side of this number. So it is very easy to write. Okay. So even you can start from this also, no problem. But we always prefer the extreme right we have to go. So that afterwards we have to move the left side. You know it. Okay. We'll start from this ones place, right? What is there in a ones place? 7 into 1. Okay, then come to the tens plus 9 into 10. Okay, next what I have to write? 8 into what's there? 100, right? 8 into 100. And next 1. 1 is in a thousand place, right? Just write that. Look at here. This is 1. 1 into 1000. Okay. Next 7. Right. Again should write 7 into. 7 into what I have to write? Yes. Yes. What I have to write? Is it 100? No. Is it 1000? No. It is what? What? 10,000. Yes, correct. So, it is 10,000. Then, last but not the least, it is 4. 4 is what? Lakh spirit. You know that. So, now, okay. Now it's correct. Okay. So now you just 7 into 1. What's that? 7 plus 9 into 10. What's that? 90 plus 8 into 100. 800 plus 1 into 1000. 1000. 7 into 10,000, 70,000. Plus 4 into 1 lakh. What it is? 4 lakh, right? So, this is what the expanded form. This is the expanded form. How we are going to write this in this lakhs period. and you can read it easily by knowing the place values, right? So once again we'll read this: 4,71,897. Okay? Okay. We'll see one more examples, right? Again we'll write this expanded form. See here. Can you tell me which number is there in the thousand place? Yes? Which number is there? So, 7. Right? 7 is there. And can you tell me the place value of the 5? Yes? Guess. Think and tell me the answer. What? It is 5 is in lakhs period. Yes? Okay. We'll start to write the expanded form. As I told you earlier, it is better to prefer, we have to go the extreme right side. Okay. Next towards the left. Okay. 8 into 1. Because 8 in it ones place, right? So 8 into 1. Next 9. It is in a tens place, right? Next again a 9. Don't get confused. If you know very clear about this place value chart, so no need to get this confusion. See, 9, 9 both are there, but this 9 is in a tens place and one more 9 it is in a 100 place. Okay, so we'll write that 9 into 100. Next plus 7, it is in a, yes, 1000 place, right? So next we'll write here down. Okay, 8. This is what? 8 into 10,000 plus, last but not the least, 5. 5 into 1 lakh. Okay. It's what? The expanded form of the given number. Okay. We'll write this. 8 into 1, 8, right? Plus 9 into 10, 90. Plus 9 into 100, 900. Plus 7 into 1000, 7000. Plus 8 into 10,000, 80,000. Last 5 into 1 lakh, it is 5 lakh. Hope you all understand this example. Try to solve some more example on this. We'll give you homework. We'll see some more examples over this lakhs period. Okay? See this example given. 6 is in a ones place. 0 is in a tens place. Again the 6, it is in a 100 place. 2 is in 1000 place. 9 is in a what? 9 is in 10,000, right? And 7 it is in lakhs, right? And 5, what about the 5? Guess? Already we explained that. What's that? 5, it is in a, yes, 10 lakhs, right? Okay, so hope you understand now. So now if you know the place values of respected digits. You can easily read that number. Okay. First and foremost, first thing is what? Just we have to identify the place values of that digits. Then you can read it easily. Okay. So now you can just try it. Just try to read this. Which number it is? What you can call this? Read it. Try to read it. It is 57 lakhs. What it is? 57 lakhs 92,606. Shall I repeat once again? 57,000. 57,000. Is it right? Is it right? No. Yes. Okay, all my dear children are what? Alert. So it is 57 lakhs. Okay, 57 lakhs 92,606. Okay, so try to read. Whatever you are looking these numbers and all, just identify the place values and try to read that. Okay, so now we'll write the expanded form of this number. Okay. As you know, we have to go the extreme right side of that number. So we'll take this first 6. 6 is in what? Ones place. So we'll start that. 6 into 1. Right? 6 into 1 plus 0 is there. I will ask you some question about this. Okay. First write this. 0. 0 is in tens place. Write that. 0 into 10. Already we discussed some special character about 0 in the previous class. We'll ask you some question about that. Okay. Be alert. So next. What's there next? 6 is there. Right. 6 into what? 100. Yes. 6 into 100. Okay. Next, 2 is there. 2 into 2 into 2 into, is it a 10,000? 10,000? No, it is what? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Understood? So this is 1,000. Next, plus 9 into 10,000. 9 into 10,000. Next, 7. 7, it is in a which place value? It is in a lakhs, right? So 7 into, we'll write down here. 7 into 1 lakh. Next, last but not the least, it is 5. 5 into what it is? We already discussed this. 5 into, think and tell me the answer. Yes, it is 10 lakh. 5 into 10. Understand? So now we'll write that, right? 6 into 1. What's that? 6. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me 0 into 10? Last class we explained about this special quality of the 0. You know that? 0 have what? For a 0, is there any place value you multiply that with the any number? No. If you multiply any number with a 0, again you are going to get what? Big 0 only, right? So now here it is 0 into 10 is there. So what will be the answer? Is it a 10? Think. Is it a 10? No. What it is? 0 into 10 is 0 only. So we'll write 0. Next, plus. Not only this, if you are going to multiply 0 number with any 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, again you will get the number answer as the what? S 0 only. Always please keep in your mind that if you multiply any number with a 0, again you are going to get the 0 only. Okay. Please don't get this confusion about this. Next, 6 into 100. 600 plus 2 into 1000. What's a 2 into 1000? It is 2000. Next, 9 into 10,000. What it become? It is 90,000. Right? Next, 7 into 1 lakh. Okay? 7 into 1 lakh. We'll write here 7 lakh. Next, 5 into 10 lakh. How you are going to read this? It is 10 lakh. How many digits are there in 10 lakh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So, 7 digits will come under this 10 lakhs. Okay. This is for the smallest of the 7 digit number. Okay. So, 5 into this 10 lakhs. What is the answer? What's the answer? 50 lakhs. We'll write here down. Okay. Yes. Hope you understand this sum. Okay. Let's try this. One more example on this. Okay. Along with me, even you to solve. You to solve in your book. Okay. So, what's first and foremost thing is you have to identify the place value of digits of that number. Then only you can able to write the expanded form. Okay. So, now it is first if you want to read this number, just go through the place value chart. Okay. So, here it is ones place. You know that. What's there in a ones place? 7. Okay. What's there in a tens place? Is 3. Right. What's there in a hundred place? 7. Okay. And 5 is in a which place? 10,000. Is it a 10,000? No. It is in a 1,000. Right. Next. What about this 2? It is in a 10,000. Next, come to this. 8. 8 is in a lakhs period. Okay, lakhs place value. Then last one, that is, it is in a 10 lakh place value, 6. Okay. Now, if you once you got this, what are the place values of these digits in a number, you can easily read that number. Okay. Now, it is very easy. Just try it how to read this. Yes, just try it. 68 lakhs 25,737. Understand? So 68 lakh 25,737. Okay. Yes. Now you are easily expanded. You can write the expanded form of this number. Okay. Let's start. Even you to try. Yes, along with me. Expanded form. Okay. First thing is we should look at the extreme right side. Yes, correct. So what's there? 7 into 1. It's in a ones place. So 7 into 1. Next, plus 3 into 3 into what I have to write? Yes, is it 100 or 10? 10. Correct. Okay. Next. One more 7 is there. Again I have to write a 1. What I have to write? Yes, it is 100. Yes, you are going in a correct way. It is in a 100 place value. So 7 into 100. Next, plus 5. 5. It is in a 1000, right? So we'll write that 5 into 1000. Okay. Next, we'll write down. So 2. 2. What I have to write? This is plus 2. 2 into. Again 1000? No. You already know now. So it is a 10,000. Right. So it is 10,000. Plus. Next 8 is there. So 8 is in a lakh spirit. Right. So we'll write that. 8 into lakh spirit, you know that. Right? Again, we'll write this. 6. 6 is in a which place? It is in a 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Yes, 10,000 lakhs and 10 lakhs. Correct. So 6 into this is 10 lakh. Yes, correct. Now you just write this by multiplying this. 7 ones are 7 plus 3 into 10, 30 plus 7 into 100. What's that? 700 plus 5 into 1000, 5000. Next, 2 into 10,000. It is what? 20,000. Yes. Right. Next, 8 into 1 lakh. So it is what? We'll write here. It's 8 lakh. Right? Next, last one. 6 into. What is that? Yes, identify that. 6 into 10 lakh. So it is what? 60 lakhs. Right? We'll write that. 60 lakh. So it's what the expanded form of this example. Hope you understand this. Hope you understand the lakh spirit and the thousand spirit. Okay. Now we'll move to the place value and the face value. As given here, the place value definition. Place value of a digit depends upon the place. Okay, as the name itself suggests you that the place value, it's what? It is about the place of that number, right? So, hence we can define this place value as place value of a digit depends upon the place. Okay, next, face value. Okay, face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. Very easy. By this face value, this word only you come to know that by seeing the face, what is there, that is the value of that face value. That is only here given face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. Okay, so we'll take one example. Okay, example 16,235, right? It is what? A standard form. Okay. Here 1 is in a 10,000, 6 is in a 1,000, 2 is in a 100, 3 is in a tens and 5 in a ones. You know that. Now we'll write this place value and the face value of this example. Okay. We'll write here. See. What is the place value of 5? As you know, place value means its place, we have to look at its place. It's in a ones place. So we'll write 5 into 1 is equal to 5. And what about the face value? As I told you, it is what? That digit itself, face value. So 5 is there. So it is face value is 5 only. Next 3 is there. So what is the place value of 3? Again, look at the place value of this digit. It's in a tens place. So, we have to multiply this 3 into 10 is equal to 30, right? And what about the face value of this 3? It is 3 only. And what about this 2? 2 is in a 100 place, right? So, what is the place value of 2? It is 2 into 100. We'll write that. 2 into 100 is equal to 200. And what is the face value of 2? It is 2 only. Okay. Next, 6. What is the place value of 6? As it is in a 1,000 place. So, 6 into 1,000. 6 into 1,000. It will come as 6,000. Understood? Next, the face value. What is the face value of 6? Yes? Yes, it is 6 only. Right? 6. Next, what is the place value of this? It is in a 10,000. So we have to multiply this 1 into 10,000. So you are going to get this what? 10,000. Yes. Next, what is the face value of this one? 1 only. Yes. Understand? So it's very simple, place value and face value. It's very easy. Just analyze it. Once again read it. Now we're going to give this homework. Just take down. Before going to write this homework, I have to give some instruction about the classwork and the homework book. Okay. Every year, as you know, we have to make the compulsory two books, 200-page book for what? Classwork and 100-page book for the homework. You know, right? And our video will reach, as soon as reach video, later we'll send the notes PDF along with that. And about the homework, daily you have to do the homework, right? You have to practice the sums, and we definitely check that. Okay, so today's homework is write this 2,31,394 in an expanded form. Okay. Next, what are the smallest and greatest 7-digit numbers? Think and write. Write the place and face value of 98,765. Okay. Just go through this, practice it. Hope you written all this. Yes, we'll continue in the next session.